Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 7th chapter triangles. Today we will learn the exercise 7.4 1 to 3 problems. Today we will learn it in this session. Are you understood of the previous class, Gagan Sai?
Yes.
How are you, Gagan Sai?
Fine.
How is your maths preparation at home?
Good.
How is your other subjects preparation?
Good.
Good. How is our maths class every day?
Very good and nice.
Nice. Other subjects classes?
Nice.
How is it?
Nice.
How is your preparation for examination, Gagan Sai?
Nice.
Are you practice at home every day?
Yes.
Maths, everyday mathematics. Are you practice?
Yes.
Compulsory. Mathematics everyday practice at home. Okay. All the best for your examination. How is your preparation for examination?
Good.
Good. Okay. Are you any doubts?
No.
If you any doubts, you ask me always. Okay. Are you any doubts in previous class?
No doubts.
Yeah. Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, today topic is 7.6 inequalities in a triangle. Equal sides of a triangle and equal angles of a triangle. And the topic all problems and solutions is over. That the topic in previous classes and previous chapters is over. And sometimes some figures are unequal figures are there. What we should do in that type of figures is give. What we should do? An inequality in a triangles. In the topic, 3 theorems are there. By applying the 3 theorems, we will do that type of problems. We will solve it only. Okay? What's the theorems? Today we will learn it. Have you seen the inequality figures? Have you seen any time, Gagan Sai? Inequality means, are you understood? Not equal only. Inequality of lines. For examples like inequality of line segments, inequality of figures. Figures means the triangles. Okay, angles. All are the textbooks is some examples is there. This is the inequality. Is it a equal line segments? Is it a this is the equal line segments or unequal line segments?
Unequal line.
Unequal means the inequality line segments. Inequality. This is the equal. In second figure, these two angles are, is it equal angles or inequality angles?
Yeah.
These two angles. Inequality angles. Triangles is also there. Equal triangles and inequality triangles are there. Yeah, today we will learn the theorems. What's the 7.6 theorem? Theorem 7.6 theorem. Whenever the inequality triangle is given, this is the inequality triangle example, Gagan Sai. Is it a inequality triangle? Yes. All are the sides are, is it equal? No. Is it equal? This side is not equal only. And this side is also not equal. So, this is the inequality triangle. Triangle ABC triangle. Inequality triangle. What about the theorem 7.6 theorem? Whenever the inequality triangle is given, this type of triangle is given, what should do? What we should do? By applying the theorem 7.6 theorem. What about the 7.6 theorem? The angle opposite to The larger side is larger only. This is the angle. This angle opposite side. This side only. This is the longest side. Okay. Is it a longest side? Is it a larger only? Greater side is greater only. Okay. That is the 7.6 theorem. I am not writing the theorem. Here it is. Why? Because I am already tick the theorem in Telangana State Book, page number 170. This theorem is there. Okay. Definition. Theorem is there only. After later you practice. What's the 7.6 theorem? After later you read and practice only in textbook. Okay. Already tick this theorem. Okay. Next 7.7 theorem. What's the 7.7 theorem? Unequality triangle. Whenever the unequality triangle is given, what we should do? By applying the 7.7 theorem. What's the 7.7 theorem? This is the inequality triangle. Is it an inequality triangle? This side and this side and this side is all are the different sides. Okay, not equal only. Okay, these sides opposite to angle is greater only. Okay, this is the 100 degrees. Okay, this side opposite, greater angle is greater only. That is the 7.7 theorem. And next, what's the 7.8 theorem? 7.8 theorem is this side. This is the triangle. One triangle is given. And this side, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, this is the A, B, C. Let us take this ABC triangle. Sum of these two sides. What's the sum? AB plus AC is greater than, equal third side. Greater than third side. Okay. This is the 7.8 theorem. Okay. By applying these three theorems, whenever the inequality triangle is given, by applying these three theorems are applying only. Okay. Based on those three theorems, today we will learn the exercise problems. Are you understood? What's the theorem 7.8 understood? The sum of the any two sides, sum is greater than the third side. That is the 7.8 theorem. Are you understood? But I am not writing. I will explaining only oral only. Okay. Why? Because I am already tick this theorem. This is the 7.6 theorem and this is the 7.7 theorem. And this is the theorem 7.8 theorem only. And page number 170 and 71. And next, what have you discussed? These all are the important points. Today are these three theorems. Today topic only. So once again read and practice only at home. Okay. Based on those three theorems, today we will learn the exercise problems. 7.4 problem. First question. Let's see the problem in your textbook. Be carefully, listen better, neatly. Are you understood? All are the theorems. Are you understood, Gagan side? Yeah. First theorem. First one. First question. Show that in a right angled triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. This is the question. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. It is given right angle triangle. ABC is a, let us take the ABC is a right angle triangle. To show that the hypotenuse is the longest side, we have to show that the hypotenuse is the longest side. How to show that? We need to show that this side. What's the hypotenuse side? You already learned in the previous classes. Whenever this symbol is given, this triangle is the right angle triangle. This symbol opposite side is the hypotenuse. You already, it's over in previous class. Okay, are you understood? We have to show that this side is a longest side. Is it a longest side? You have to show that only. Let the solution for this problem. From this figure, let the solution for this problem again say. From this figure, triangle of ABC is a right angle. Right angle triangle. In triangle, angle is given. One angle is given, right? This symbol means is the 90 degrees only. Right angle means is the one angle is 90 degrees only. So what's the angle in this figure? First let us draw this right angle only. Okay, this is the ABC right angle. One angle is given. What's the angle? Angle B called 90 degrees is given. Okay, what about these two angles? Do you know the angle sum property? Sum of the three interior angles, how much? 180 degrees. We know that only. So that's why one angle is 90 degrees. Or what about these remaining two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Why it is equal to 90 degrees? Angle sum property only. Okay. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Why it is equal to 90 degrees? Since angle sum property. Otherwise another step is also, we know that the angle sum property. Do you know the angle sum property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Directly also I write it only. Okay. Angle B value substituting in this one only. Okay. So angle A plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus angle B value. Before equal, after equal it becomes to the minus 90 degrees only. So how much of value you get it? 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, it is nothing but 90 degrees only. Okay. Here it is, I am directly write it only. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Why it is 90 degrees? Angle sum property. Okay. Are you clear? Angle sum property. These two are is also sum of these two angles are is equal 90 degrees only. So angle A and angle C are is the acute angle. Is it acute angle? Less than 90 degrees only. Okay. Suppose here it is that angle A is 40 degrees. And what about the angle C? How much? This is the 40 degrees and this is the, what's the 50 only. Why it is 50? 40 plus 50, it is nothing but 90 degrees. Sum of these two angles are is equal to 90 degrees only. Suppose this is angle is 70 degrees. What's this angle? Angle of C? 20 degrees only. Are you understood?
Okay.
Like this. So that's why here it is the A and C. Angle A and angle C are acute angle. Do you know the acute angles, Gagan Sai? Less than 90 degrees only. Okay. Angle A is less than 90 degrees. Okay. And angle C less than 90 degrees. Okay. Are you clear? Angle A less than 90 degrees, it is nothing but angle B. Are you clear? and angle C less than angle B. Why it is less than angle B? Angle B angle is 90 degrees. But in these two angles is the less than 90 degrees only. Acute angles. These two are is the acute angles only. So that's why is the less than only. Okay, are you clear? Implies angle A less than angle B. These two angles are, is it equal? No, it is not equal. Less than symbol is there. Okay. And next, what can write it here? It is angle A by theorem. What's the theorem are using? These two angles are, is it unequal only. So by applying the theorem, whenever the unequal angles is given, by applying the theorem 7.6 theorem. What's the 7.6 theorem? The angle opposite, the greater side is greater only. Okay. Angle A. Angle A is opposite side is, what's the? BC. Implies BC only. BC less than angle B. Angle B opposite side is, what's the? AC. And next, angle C. Angle C is the opposite side is, what's the? AB side. Angle C opposite side is AB. AB less than angle B. Opposite side is angle C. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah. Since by using the, what's the theorem? Theorem 7.6 theorem. Okay. Next, in these two statements, what's the, here it is the AC. AC is greater. Yes, symbol is the than symbol. Yeah, this side is open. This side is closed only. Open side. This side, right side is, this is the greater only. Then comparing of this left side. Okay. Left side up, this one. So in these two, what's the greater, Gagan side? Tell me the answer. AC is greater. Then comparing up BC and AB. In these two statements, AC is the greater only. Okay, are you clear? So therefore AC is longest side in this AB side and next BC side. Which one is the longest side? AC is the longest side. Why it is the longest side? Here it is the symbol. So that's why AC is longest side. AC is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse only. Okay. Hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. So it is longest side. Okay. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Are clear? Are you understood, Gagan side? Which side is the longest side? AC is the longest side only. So your given question asked is also AC only. So that's why this solution is proved only. Okay. And next we'll move on to the next question. Second one. In a adjacent figure, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. Also, angle of PBC less than angle of QCB show that AC greater than AB. This figure is give. The adjacent figure is give. The sides AB and AC sides of a triangle. This is the triangle. ABC triangle. Is it ABC triangle? So, AB side is produced to P and AC side is produced to Q only. So, AB side is produced to P. So, here it is the exterior angle is formed here it is. And AC is produced to Q. So, here it is the exterior angle is formed in this side. Left side and right side. Both sides is the exterior angle is formed only. Okay. So, here it is the what is given. PBC is less than QCB is given. So show that we have to show that this one only AC is greater than AB. Then comparing of this side only. Okay, this is the all are the inequality triangle. Is it a inequality triangle or equal triangle? Inequality triangle. Why is it inequality triangle? All are the sides are is it equal? This side and this side is all are not equal only. So that's why this is the inequality triangle. Okay, whenever the inequality triangle is given, what we should do? You already learned by applying the theorems only. So first given data, how to write it in our given problem. The adjacent figure sides AC of a triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q, and also this angle of PBC less than angle of QCB to show that AC greater than AB. We have to show that this one only. Okay, let the solution for this problem. Very simple problem solution. Gagan sir, be carefully listen better neatly. From this figure, okay, from this figure, triangle of ABC is extended only. ABC is extended. So what is given? Angle of PBC is less than angle of QCB. Okay, this is given. So here it is the what's the exterior angle is formed. AB is a side is produced to P only. So what's the exterior angle is formed? Angle of PBC is an exterior angle of ACB for ACB only. Okay, do you know the exterior angle property? Yeah, what's the exterior angle property, Gagan side? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles only. Okay, we know that property. So that property are using in this problem only. Otherwise another way is also today we will explaining only. What's the another way? This is it a straight line? S is it a straight line only. So here it is the sum of these two angles. So linear pairs, these two are is the linear pairs only. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. We know that linear property, we know that only. So that property are using. Otherwise is the exterior angle properties also using only. This is the exterior angle. Okay. What's the angle of PBC is an exterior angle. Exterior angle means is the E dot A. Exterior angle for triangle of ACB1. Okay, are you clear? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles, opposite two interior angles, sum of the opposite to two interior angles. What's the angles? Angle A plus, once look at this figure, Gagan sir, be careful, observe here it is. At point C, how many angles are there? Two angles are there. One is the interior angle, one is the exterior angle. This is also exterior angle only. So what's the interior angle? Here it is that sum of the two interior angles only. We write it here, it is only. So what's the interior angle? ACB only. Angle of ACB. Okay, are you clear? And next another one, another exterior angle. What's the QCB? Angle of QCB is an exterior angle for what's the triangle of ABC. Okay, exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angle, opposite to sum of the two interior angles only. So what's the sum here? It is angle A plus, what's the, here it is also at point B. How many angles are there? Two angles are there. Okay, one is the exterior angle, one is the interior angles only. These two are the linear pairs of angles only. Okay, so what's the interior angles here? It is ABC only, angle of ABC. What's the property are using here? It is in these two, since exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. Okay, otherwise linear pairs also, sum of these two linear pairs. What's the linear pairs? Angle of PBC plus angle of ABC is equal to 180 degrees. We want that angle of PBC only. Why we want it? This it is given only in this problem, is given this one only, this condition is given only, so that's why we want this one only, angle of PBC. Otherwise write it this one, exterior angle property. Okay, so this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2 only. Okay, from equation number 1 and 2 only. From equation number 1 and 2 we get what? We get it, or we obtain angle. What's the Gagan sai? See better neatly. Equation number 1. Here what's the given? Here it is the angle of PBC less than angle of QCB only. So angle of PBC less than angle of QCB only. Okay, this is given. Since this is given, so from equation number 1 and 2, substitute these two values, angle of PBC and angle of QCB. Values are substituting in this one only. So angle of PBC from equation number 1 and 2. So what's the angle of PBC? Angle of A plus angle of ACB. Okay, are clear? And less than angle of QCB. What's the angle of QCB? From equation number 2. What's the angle of A plus angle of ABC? Okay, and this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So both are is not equal only. So that's why less than, here it is the less than symbol is given. So that's why both sides is angle A is cancelled only. What's the remaining terms? Angle of left side is angle of ACB less than right side is angle of ABC. Okay, this angle these two angles is simply write it. What's the angles? Angle C less than angle B angle. Middle letters only, middle letters write it only. Simply write it, angle C less than angle B only. What's the angle C? Here it is that these two angles are is it unequal only, inequality of angles only. So by applying the theorem 7.6 theorem, the angle C opposite side. What's the opposite side? The angle opposite sides are greater side is greater only. By theorem, by applying the 7.6 theorem, by using that theorem only, angle C opposite side is angle AB only. Implies AB side less than, what's the angle B opposite side? Do you know the theorem? Opposite side only, angle B Opposite side is angle AC only. Angle AC. So here it is. It is proved. Is it proved? Yes, it is proved only. So what's the side is greater? AC side is greater. Then comparing of the AB only. Okay. Here in figure is also directly also we can say that only. Why? Because here this is the very larger. Then comparing of the this side only. AB side is very short. Then comparing of this one only. This is the long only. So that's why AB less than AC only. So here this is symbol is less than symbol only. Here it is the open. This is open symbol. One side is closed, one side is the open. Open side, this right side is greater only. Okay. This closed side is this any number or letters are is given. Whenever the numbers or letters are is given, closed side, left side is all are the smaller only. Then comparing of right side only. Okay. This is bigger only. In these two sides, which one is the bigger? Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai. So AC is, otherwise it can be written as AC is greater than AB. Both are is it same? Yes, both are is the same only. Open side is this side, left side is greater only. Okay. Then comparing of this right side of this side. Okay. So it is proved only. So what we needed to show that this one AC is greater than AB only. So hence it is proved only. Hence it is proved. Are you clear? Are you understood, Gagan Sai? Are you understood this problem? What's the greater, what's the smaller? Are you understood? What about this less than symbol? What's the greater than symbol? Are you understood clearly? Don't confusing that less than and greater than symbol. Then comparing of these two sides, which one is the bigger, which one is the smaller. Compulsory neatly, properly. Which one is the correct one? You write it only neatly. Okay. And next we will move on to the next question. In adjacent figure, angle B less than angle A and angle C less than angle D. Show that AD less than BC. This figure is given. Look at this figure, Gagan Sai, textbook. One figure is given, and next in this figure how many triangles are there? Two triangles are there. One is the small triangle, one is the bigger triangle. What's the small triangle? AOB, one small triangle, and bigger triangle is COD triangle. How many triangles are there? Two triangles are there only. And here it is the angle B less than angle A. Angle B is less than angle is and angle C is less than angle D. And next show that how to show that AD less than BC. AD less than BC. Directly is also we can say that only. What's the side is bigger, Gagan Sai? Then comparing of these two sides, AD and BC sides. Which one is the bigger? Which one is the smaller?
This one is smaller.
AD is the smaller. BC is the bigger only. Why? Because this is the longest and this is the smallest only. Directly is also we can easily say that one. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem, Gagan Sai. Yeah, first given data how to write it in our given problem. In the adjacent figure, angle of B less than angle of A and angle of C less than angle of D to show that AD less than BC only. This figure is given. From this figure, from the figure or from this figure. From the figure, angle B less than angle A. In triangle, what's the triangle? AOB triangle. In triangle AOB, here it is the angle A or angle B only. Here it is the angle B less than angle A is given only in given problem. Okay, since given. Yeah, these two angles are, is it equal? No, it is not equal only. So less than symbol is given. So by applying the, what's the theorem or by applying here it is 7.6 theorem. So what we can write it here, it is angle B. Opposites, this smaller side is smaller only. So what's the angle B? Opposite side is this one only, AO side. This is the smaller side. Why? Because here this is a smaller angle only. So that's why the angle B opposite is the what's the AO side. Is it correct? Next, angle A. Angle A is the opposite side. Smaller side is smaller only. So that's why what's the side? BO side. Okay, are you clear? Since what's the theorem here, it is theorem 7.6 theorem. Otherwise the angles opposite to that one only. Say that I am not write it briefly, I am write it 7.6 theorem only. Otherwise the angle opposite to the smaller side is smaller only. Otherwise simple is also write it. I am write it simply only. Otherwise I write it here, it is the angle opposite to smaller side is smaller only. Smaller, because this is the smaller triangle only. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, this is over. And next another one is angle C less than angle D. What's the triangle? That triangle is C and D angles. What's the these two angles? Where in this triangle? Where is there? In this triangle only. What's the triangle? COD triangle. These two triangles is what's the triangle name? Triangle of COD triangle. These two triangles are there. Okay. So what's the triangles? Angle C less than angle D only. Okay. So here it is the angle C opposite side. What's the opposite side? This. So angle C opposite side is what's the OD side. Angle opposite smaller side is smaller or greater side is greater. That is the theorem. What's the theorem? 7.6 theorem are using in this one only. So that's why it is using. Are you understood? These two angles are is not equal only. So unequal only. So inequality symbol is there. Less than symbol is there. So that's why by applying this theorem or according to the 7.6 theorem, we can write it this one only. Opposite side we write it only. Angle D opposite side is what's the angle D opposite side is OC. Okay, since same only. Above same. Okay, yeah, this is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1 only. Adding equation number 1 and 2. Adding equation number 1 and 2. We get or we obtain anyone only. Okay. Yeah, what's the equation number 1? Adding, this is the left side and this is the right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. What's the left hand side? AO. Equation number 1 AO and equation number 2 left hand side is OD. Okay, and less than right hand side is what's the right hand side? BO and plus what's the right hand side in equation number 2? OC. Okay, AO plus OD. It is nothing but what's the AO plus OD? It is nothing but AD from this figure. Okay, so implies. All are you write it the imply symbols, otherwise you are directly is also write it. This is the imply symbol. Okay, and implies what's the AO plus OD? It is nothing but what's the AD? AD is less than BO plus OC. It is nothing but what's the BC. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? It is proved only. Is it proved?
Yes.
Hence it is proved only. Very simple. This problem solution is very simple only. Hence it is proved. Otherwise, therefore, it is proved only. we need to show that this one only, AD less than BC only. So then comparing of these two sides, which one is the bigger, which one is the smaller, Gagan side? Tell me the answer neatly. What's the AD side and BC side? Two sides are is given.
Smaller, BC is bigger.
Very good. That is the very important. This symbol is the very important. This is the less than symbol. Less than symbol, right hand side is the, this is the greater only. This is the smaller. Okay, are you clear? So BC side, where is it BC side? This is the BC side is bigger than comparing of the AD side. Directly is also we can say that only. This is the longest, then comparing of this side only. AD side is the smaller side, smaller only side. Okay, are you clear? So hence it is proved only. This problem solution 1, 2, 3 problem solutions, it's over. This problem, are you understood? Today my class, are you any doubts? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Yeah, all our theorems once again read and practice in textbook. Okay? Yeah, say today is my class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Share and share to your friends. Say bye.